Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm at Huntington Beach today. I'm here to watch an air show, the Pacific Air Show. This is the first day of the 3 days air show, running from October 1st to the 3rd. So Friday usually not a whole lot of people. That's why I always come in on Friday. So I'm gonna be here taking some pictures. Look at this, a lot of people here already. But on a weekend, there's gonna be a whole lot more. I'm a little bit late today, so what I'm here today is with my Sony A6600 and this is the Sony 70-350. Normally I came here, this is my 3rd year, and for some reason last year it was canceled. I don't know why. Can you tell what's the reason why it was canceled last year? But they're back today, so that's why I'm here getting some pictures. Last year and the year before I came and I rented the Sony 100-400. That is a monster, but I purchased this lens, and from last year I wanted to come by, but again last year was canceled. So I'm here with my 350. It's a little bit shorter than the 100-400, but let's see how it works. Should do the work just fine. So I'm just here, waiting for the planes to come by and show some pictures of what I got. I need to learn how to do panning. I suck with that, so hopefully get some motion blur. We'll show some pictures later. So my A6600 should give me a better focus than what I have a couple years ago with the A6500. But the only thing, like I said, the lens is 50mm shorter, which it's about 75. Sometimes it could be a lot, and we'll see how much I'm missing, and I might end up getting the 200-600, the Sony. So the plane's gonna come by from that side. If you see, actually on the far end over there, those are the VIP section. You have to pay for tickets over there. Also, as well as the piers. Up here on the piers, you see a lot of people up there. You have to buy a ticket for the pier as well. The first year I came, I didn't know what to expect, so I paid for the pier. Not very expensive. I believe it's like 30 bucks. The only thing you get is the pier access and the chairs. There's nothing else there. You still have to buy your own food and beverage. But anywhere from here on this sand area is all fair games. So I don't have to pay. I just need to sit here and wait for the planes to come. So we'll catch some planes soon. Blue Angel.